How to lock any application on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can lock any application on your iPhone. This option has been available to Android users for some time. Now you can set it up on your iPhone as well. Let's get started. All you need to do is open the Shortcuts application on your phone. When the application opens, select the Automation section from the bottom menu. In the Automation section, we will tap on the New Automation button to add automation. Scroll down a bit and find the App option. When you found it, open it. In the new window, we will tap on the Choose button to select the application we want to automate. When the application opens, select the applications you want to automate, or in our case, lock. I will select YouTube and X. When you have selected the applications you want to automate, tap the Done button located in the upper right corner. The option that we will also choose is that this automation is performed immediately, so we will select the Run Immediately option. The next step is to tap the Next button in the upper right corner. In the further process, we will tap on the New Blank Automation tab. Here, we will add the action we want by tapping the Add Action button. A search field will open in which we will type Lock Screen. When the option appears, we select it. All that's left is to tap the Done button in the upper right corner. And that is it. Our applications are now locked. Let's check. Return to the home screen and try to open the application you selected. As you can see, the application will ask us to unlock our phone before allowing us to use it. During the first execution, it may happen that this option is a little late. But in further executions, they work perfectly. Try other apps. Ours is X. As you can see, everything works. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.